clean.
Over the door, you can get a picture inside if you want. Man, this thing clean. 19,000
She said 19,000.
This you?
Yeah.
Oh man, this thing clean here, man.
Yeah.
That's real clean.
Yeah, it's I bought it with 18,000. I found an old lady that had it, 85-year-old woman. She passed away. Her son had it, and it was stock when I got it.
Yeah.
And she would, when she pulled it in the garage, he had all the records, all the maintenance, like all the oil change and shit. Had a book with it, like just think of everything she had done to the car. She owned the car since new in '96. And then she would back into the garage and would hit the bumper and touch the, just kind of scuffs.
Yeah.
I had my painter pull the bumpers off, paint the bumpers, the mirrors. He pulled the mirrors off because she scuffed those. And then he wet sanded and polished the rest of the car. It's all factory painted, the rest of it. The bumpers have been painted, the mirrors have been painted. So he sanded and polished the rest of it. And I was driving it. I had one new in '96, like the same color.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's okay, but like I drove it to the city, New Orleans. I'm from Ponchatoula. Drove it to the city, and somebody pulled out in front of me. Man, I had 2 foot on the fucking brakes. I couldn't stop this motherfucker. I had to change lanes, fixing a total.
Yeah.
And so I was like, I got on the phone. It was Black Friday. I called Speed Tech Performance. I got Speed Tech Performance upper lower control, bike controller, the big sway bars, all the tubular shit in the back, coilovers. I ordered the bare brakes, got the boiler exhaust. It's been about 12 grand that day, but you know what?
Yeah.
It's all updated.
Yeah.
Next summer, after next summer,
Yeah.
we're gonna do an LSA swap in it. We're gonna put a blower LS in it.
Yeah.
Make about 750 horse. I'm doing my Monte Carlo. I got an Aero Coupe Monte Carlo.
Well, yeah, 87.
87.
Okay.
Yeah. It's I just did all the suspension and we're fixing to put a 427 LS 427 in it.
Oh, that bitch finna be running.
Yeah, look. Hold on.
Oh, that bitch clean.
I just did all the QA1 and all the QA1 suspension and Wellwoods on it. Yep, and there's the Impala. That's this car, and then
That bitch clean.
Oh, that's clean now.
it's got T-tops. It's Aero Coupe with T-tops.
that bitch clean.
I got it out of Illinois at 50,000 miles, so I had a guy look at it up there, make sure it ain't too rusty.
Yeah. Because how that's snowing all that up there.
Of course, the AC didn't work.
Yeah.
So they had a compressor with it. My mechanic, and I said, look, I want to drive this bitch. So it was $2,500 late. We rated all the way. I'll give you Monte Carlo set the cruise look.
Drop it.
This motherfucker is so goddamn clean.
Bro, man will have a whole fit with his purple on his truck.
No quiero que le pase lo que pasa conmigo. Y usted pierde ilusión y la conseguí. Le gusta mucho que le lleven serenata, que la despierte con un beso en las mañanas, que le regalen
see it.
The back of that.
This truck right here.
Oh, I'm talking about the liquor right there.
Yeah,
I like this. That's a paint, I think. That's a paint.
Look at the system in that bed.
Shit.
That bitch here hard here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's hard too. They got the fire ticket on. Yeah, I like that.
The wall up in that motherfucker there.
See his ball?
Yeah.
And he was still sitting on it. That's cool.
That's crazy.
I have to show that to Super Chick.
Yeah. Shit over here. Look at that little bitty car, man.
That's it. That's it.
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you, sir. You're good. Thank you.
There's some Sabinis out there. Yeah, Sabini. Oh, boy. I don't know, buddy. Yeah, vet ain't playing. I didn't know there was a Swift vet. Yeah, they ain't playing.
Swift that old school club. They can wave though.
Huh?
Oh, you see the spike?
The lemonade?
Yeah.
Damn.
This literally, his look like yours, but like, I ain't gonna say look like, but like, he got the stuff to go.
Yeah, I don't know about the spikes, but.
So you see his ball?
Yeah.
He overdoing it.
Oh, man.
It's hard how you get it.
That's hard. Goddamn money here, boy.
Yeah. You drop that check off enough. This is right here.
This is so clean.
This right here. This, yeah. Whoever did this, boy, they did a thing. Yeah.
Dog, look at this shit, man.
Look at the dog on. Oh, shit.
Oh, look at this here. With the little trailer, man. Man, look at this one with a little trailer on it.
Huh?
The trailer.
And it's a U.S. mail phone. Oh, this one for this one.
Yeah.
Look, you see the whole mail? The whole mail?
Right.
Right there, the little push thing.
Oh, shoot. Huh?
Wait, they got some more than trucks with the boat.
Oh, buddy.
That's the thing his father was on.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how it was back in the day.
Literally the same exact thing.
Yeah, that's how it was.
I think that is the one because it looks just like it.
That's it. That's hard.
Yeah. And it's got a suitcase in the back behind the seat.
That's crazy, boy.
That's hard. Hold on. Oh, she's stuck in that.
Oh, damn.
Walk back this way and look at the bed.
Oh, damn. Let me go back to the truck for a second, nigga.